Hi, I'd like to introduce you to our Protimeter Flood Kit. Inside this kit we have two instruments, the first being the Surveymaster. This is a pin-type moisture meter and a non-invasive moisture meter with an accessory port in the side for some of the accessories I'm going to show you now. Also included is our Hygromaster L. This is a super fast responding hygrometer that measures relative humidity, temperature and psychrometric calculations such as dew point and grains per pound and grams per kilogram. Also included in the kit is our deep wall probes. These are built on a handle and they only measure at the tip. There is two sizes of needles that come with this probe attachment. We also include this Baseboard Probe. These fat prongs are insulated and again only measure at the tip. They allow you to go behind the baseboard or under the baseboard to the sill plate to measure moisture in those areas. The whole kit comes complete in a hard carry case. That's the Protimeter Flood Kit.